What's going on, guys? It's Vinny here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a engine air filter on a 2017 to 2022 Honda CRV. This procedure is going to relate to other year model Hondas. Alright, so to complete this job, you're going to need one of two tools, either a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket, as well as your air filter. I'll have links down in the description for all the tools and parts used in this video. Alright, and with that said, let's get into it. First step is to pop the hood, and your hood lever is right down here. Alright, you're going to lift the hood up. There's going to be a latch under here. You'll feel it with your hand. Push that latch towards the driver's side and then lift the hood up. And then you have a hood prop. And there's an arrow right here up on the under the hood to show you where to put it. Alright, now with the hood popped, we're looking at the driver's side part of your engine bay. Your air filter box is right here, and there is 4 bolts that hold this in. We're going to loosen all 4 bolts. They're not going to come all the way out, but we're going to loosen them, and then the air box is going to lift up so we can remove the filter. You can either try a Phillips head screwdriver, or if these threads are stripping out because it's very tight to get off the first time, then you can also use an 8mm socket. So I'd recommend, if you are going to use the Phillips head, to put a lot of pressure down onto the bolt when you're twisting it to loosen it. Otherwise, if you're not putting enough pressure, then it's going to be really hard to get out and you might strip the threads. So the 4 bolts, there's one here, and then directly on the other side, one back here and another one right down here. I'm going to go ahead and loosen all 4 bolts. Once they spin freely and they don't seem to be coming up anymore, that's when you know they're loosened enough. All right, all the bolts are loose. We're gonna go ahead and gently lift this box up. Don't rip it up because there's a lot of things still attached. And right under here is your air filter. We're gonna go ahead and remove that. We're gonna pay attention to the orientation of the filter. And here is the new filter. Just do a quick side-by-side comparison to show you guys they are the exact same filter. All right, I just wanted to do a quick side-by-side comparison. You have your old engine air filter and your new engine air filter. They are identical in shape and size. And I'll have links down in the description for the tools and parts used in this video. It is also recommended to replace these air filters every 15 to 30,000 miles. I would definitely recommend 15,000 miles if you have dirtier driving conditions. You can basically look at your engine as a big air pump, and this is the first line of defense for the air that the engine takes in. So it is very important to replace your engine air filter. All right, so with that said, let's install the new air filter. All right, so this is how we removed the old one. We're gonna put the new one in the same orientation. You're gonna just have like this plastic tab on the left that's facing towards the passenger side. We're gonna go ahead and lift the air box up and seat in your new engine air filter. It should sit flush into the bottom part of the air box. And then what you're gonna do is place the top part of the air box back down and refasten the air box down with the 4 bolts that we had previously loosened. Now, I don't have a torque spec for these bolts, but just a little more than hand tight with the screwdriver. You don't need to crank them down too tight. All right, guys, and that's about it. That's how you install an engine air filter on a 2017 to 2022 Honda CRV. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments and I will get back to you. If this video helped you guys out, please leave me a like. And if you're looking for more of this kind of content, then hit that subscribe button because there'll be plenty more videos coming your way. Appreciate you guys sticking around for this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.